Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to remove the privacy on your TikTok account. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok. And after that, we need to go to the option of your profile here and outside of inbox. And after that, we need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. That button here, you pick here. And you got three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. We need to pick in Settings and Privacy, and we need to go to the option of Privacy. So you pick here, and if you got like your private account, you got this option activated. The only thing you need to do to remove the privacy of your account is disable that option, pick in the switch. You maybe got this option in blue like this of activity status, but you need to pick in the option of private account if you got the switch blue and change to gray the switch. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.